Today is the high tension edit, so expect deeper core work than we did in week 1, more heat, more precision, and that snatched feeling in your core and waist. Alright, lie down, bring your feet in a little bit more, your legs are hip width apart. We're going to start with breathing to activate your deep core muscles. So put your hands on the side of your ribs and try to inhale into your hands. So inhale and exhale, pull your ribs in and down, engage your core. Inhale into your ribs. And exhale, pull your ribs in again and down. Again, inhale into your ribs. And exhale through the mouth. Your ribs go down and in. Let's do 2 more. Inhale to your ribs. Your rib cage expands. And now pull your ribs in and down. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale into your ribs. And exhale. Bring your ribs in and down. Now bring your hands behind your head. Come up into your chest lift. Bring one leg up, then the other leg up. Both legs are together. Bring them in a little bit more. Inhale, stretch them out. And exhale, bring them in again. Inhale, stretch your legs out. Inhale, bring them in. Stay up on your shoulder tips. Exhale, bring your legs in. Imagine someone's holding your feet and trying to pull your feet away from you, but you are pulling against that to engage your deep core muscles. And let's do 4 and 3, 2 and 1. Stay up. Bring one leg down, the other one stays in tabletop. Now change legs. And change. And change. Stay up on your shoulder tips. You can do it. Continue. Switch and switch. Pull your ribs in and down the same way we activated them earlier during the breathing. And 3, 2, 1. Bring your legs in. Grab your knees. Pull yourself a little higher. Imagine you have an orange between your chin and your sternum. Straighten your arms and legs. Bring your arms around to your knees again. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, pull everything in. Inhale, straighten. Your fingers touch. And back to center. Straighten everything out and pull it in. And out and in. Pull your ribs in and keep going. You can do this. Let's do 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now straighten your legs and your arms. Bring your legs down and up and in. Out, down and up and in. Out, down and up and in. Only move your legs as far as you can hold your lower back on the ground. And 3, 2 and 1. Let's do one more variation. So straighten your arms and your legs. Open both, close, and bring everything in. Out, open, close, and bring everything in. Out, open, close, and bring everything in. Let's do 4. You can do this. Bring everything in. 3. And in. 2. And in. And 1. Come on, you can do this. And back in. Put your left hand on your right knee. Your right hand goes into your left hand. Straighten out your left leg. And now switch your leg and your hands. And switch. And switch. Stay up on your shoulder tips. Exhale, inhale, exhale. So whenever you pull your leg in, you exhale. When you switch, you inhale. Stay up on your shoulder tips. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands behind your head. And now rotate to your right leg. Pull your right leg in. Center. Exhale to the left. Center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Let's do a few more. Left ribs to right hips. Right ribs to left hips. And 3, 2, 1. Keep going. And come back to center. Now come to the right. Your left hand extends past your right leg. And pulse up and down. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Bring your left leg in. Right arm next to left leg and pulse up and down. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center and bring one leg down, then the other leg down, and lower yourself down. Amazing job. Now straighten your legs. Your legs are together, your feet are pointed. Your arms go overhead. If your ribs start to flare, you can bring your arms a little bit higher so you can hold the connection between your core, your ribs. Inhale, come up until your shoulder tips. Exhale, come up fully into your C curve. Your shoulders are a little bit in front of your hips. And your gaze goes down to your knees. Pull your pubic bone to your belly button even more to intensify the C curve and pull your shoulders down. Now exhale, roll down, vertebrae by vertebrae. Bring your arms overhead. Inhale, up into a chest lift. Exhale, roll up, vertebrae by vertebrae, shoulders away from your ears. Inhale, hold. Exhale, roll back down. Vertebrae by vertebrae. And again, inhale, up to your shoulder tips. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, and exhale, roll back down, vertebrae by vertebrae. Your arms are coming down parallel to the mat and then above your head. Inhale. Exhale, come up in your C curve. Shoulders away from your ears. And exhale, come back down, vertebrae by vertebrae. Let's do 4 more. Inhale, come up. Exhale, roll up into your C curve. Inhale, hold. Exhale, roll back down. And bring your arms up. 3 more. Inhale, chest lift. Exhale, roll up. Pull your pubic bone to your belly button even more. And exhale, roll back down, vertebrae by vertebrae. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, come up. Inhale. And exhale, come back down. And 1 more. Inhale, come up. Exhale, roll up into your C curve. And exhale, roll back down, vertebrae by vertebrae. Now we're going to do a little variation. So inhale, come up into your shoulder tips. Exhale, come up into your C curve. Now straighten your spine, bring your arms up. Bring one leg up, then the other leg up. Hold in your V position for 10, 9, 8, straight back, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your legs down. Come back into your C curve and roll back down vertebrae by vertebrae. And inhale, come up. Exhale, roll up with your C curve. Inhale, straighten your spine, arms go overhead. Lean a little bit back, bring one leg up, then the other leg up, both legs together and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your legs down. Arms come to the front, come back into your C curve and roll back down. Let's do 3 more. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come up with your C curve and straighten your back. Bring your arms overhead, lean back a little bit, bring one leg up, then the other leg up and hold your V position for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your legs, bring your arms to the front, come back into your C curve and roll back down vertebrae by vertebrae. 2 more. Inhale, come up. Exhale, roll up in your C curve. Straighten your spine. Bring your arms overhead. Lean back a little bit. Bring one leg up and the other one. Both legs together. Straight back and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your legs down. Come back to the front into your C curve. And roll back down vertebrae by vertebrae. And 1 more. Inhale, come up into your chest lift. Exhale, keep your C curve and come up. Straighten your back. Arms overhead. Lean a little bit to the back onto your sit bones. Bring one leg up, then the other leg up, both legs together. Straighten your back even more and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your legs. Come to the front into your C curve. Inhale and exhale. Roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Arms overhead. Now come up into your chest lift. Bring your arms to the ceiling and pulse up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your arms down. Come up into your C curve. Into your straight spine. Bring your arms overhead, lean back a little bit. Bring one leg up, then the other leg up. Keep your V position and then lower your legs. And bring them up, lower and up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your legs in. Let's do 3 roll like a ball. Grab your shins, sit down on your sit bones, round your back, come down onto your shoulders and up again. And down and up. Down and up. Okay, sit down a little bit further back, lean back, arms overhead. Your legs are straight and in front of you. Now bring your arms down, lower your legs, lower yourself down, and arms above your head. Come back up. Let's do 2 more. Down, lower your legs as well, arms above your head, and come up. Down, lower your legs, arms above your head, and come up into your teaser. Well done. All right, now come down onto your stomach. So come into your front support position and lower yourself down. We're going to do something for the back now to counterbalance what we did for the core. Lower yourself down, lift your legs up, lift your arms up, and lift your right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg, right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. Pull your belly button to the spine and now switch. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower yourself down, hands below your shoulders. Inhale, come up with your head and your upper body. Pull your belly button to the spine. Hold. Let's stretch your abs a little bit in this pose. And exhale, lower down again. And inhale, come back up. Push yourself off the mat. And hold. Exhale, lower back down. And again. Come up. Belly button to the spine. Shoulders away from your ears. And exhale, come back down. Inhale, come up. And exhale, come down. Inhale, come up. Now the next time you lower down, you're going to get your legs up. So it's going to look like a pendulum. So lower yourself down, exhale, bring your legs up. And come back up, inhale. Exhale, come down. And inhale, back up. Exhale, back down. And inhale, up. Let's do 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower yourself back down and push yourself into a resting position. Well done! You just finished day 8 of our CherriCore edit today and the first day of our second week. Amazing job! I hope you felt your core burn as much as I did. Well done for showing up for our first day of the second week. And as always, don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Just like skincare from the inside out. Thanks for joining me for day 8 today and I hope to see you in day 9. Bye!